My Standing Thai Beer Series starts on April 26th, Friday on iQiyi for 12 episodes. Of Bompath as Ming, Om Puripan as Joe, the stuntman of famous actor Tong, happened to meet Ming. Having developed a deep relationship, Joe did not realize that Ming had always seen him as Tong's replacement. When the truth is revealed, Joe had to take work on a foreign state where an accident takes his life. When he wakes, Joe's in the body of a young man named Joe who had met with an accident on the same day. With help, he is soon living the same life as he was before, with the same people, and he meets Ming once more. For Thanathon as Soul, Meg Jirakit as Tong, Sunon Nicha as May, Intos Napat as Mike, Billy Posathon as Jim, Vinod Thanatat as Joe, Lote Chayut